Welcome to my channel Beat the Myth. I am Pavitra Naik. Today I need to discuss some problem of two-dimensional geometry. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. The question is given, find the distance between the following pair of points. The point is -6, 7 and -1, 5. Okay. You know the distance formula. Suppose A is a point of x1, y1 and B is a point of x2, y2. x2, y2. What is the distance formula? Distance AB is equal to how much? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over. Okay, so you apply this formula here. Okay, distance between, suppose a point P or Q, you say distance PQ. P is equal to, suppose P is equal to, you say -6, 7. Q is equal to, say -1, 5. Distance between PQ, that is -1 minus -6 whole square plus 5 minus 7 whole square root over. Okay, is equal to, you see, -1 plus 6, this is -2 whole square, this is -1 plus 6 whole square root over, this is 5 square, -1 plus 6, that is 5, this is -2 square, that is 4. Okay, is equal to 5 square, that is 25 plus 4 root 29, that is PQ is equal to, distance PQ is equal to root 29. This is your answer. Okay, you see, plus or minus root 29, distance is never negative, so you can take it positive. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, half, 1/4. You see, suppose ABC is the triangle ABC. Okay, three vertices are given. Three vertices. A is a vertices, A is a vertex, B is a vertex, C is a vertex. That means three vertices are given. Suppose A is equal to, you say 1, 2, B is equal to, say 3, 4, C is equal to, say half, 1/4. Okay, you know the formula. What is the formula? Suppose 3 points are given. What is the formula? How to find the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle is equal to, you say, you write the point 1, 2, 3, 4, half, 1/4, half of this is 1, 1, 1, you write. Now you find the determinant is equal to half of, you see, 1 into 4 into 1 minus 1, 4 into 1 minus 2 into 3 into 1 minus half into 1. Okay, plus 1 into 3 into 1/4 minus half into 4. Okay, is equal to half of, you see, this is equal to 1 into, this is 4 into 1, 4, 4 minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, that is 16 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 15 by 4. You write here 1 into 15 by 4, so that is 15 by 4. Okay, minus, you see, next minus 2 into, you see, 3 here, 3 minus half, that is 3 into 1, that is 3, half into 1, that is half, 3 minus 1, 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 into 2, this 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 2 will cancel out, only 5. Okay, that means minus 5 plus 3 by 4 minus 4 by 2, minus 2, 4 by 2, that is 2, that is 3 minus 8 by 4, 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay, plus minus 5 by 4, here minus 5 by 4. Okay, you see, half into LCM, you can get the LCM 4. This is 15 minus 20 minus 5, okay, is equal to half of 15 minus 15, this is minus 25, okay, is equal to how much? Minus 10 by 4, okay, so is equal to 2 1 ja 2 5 ja is equal to minus 5 by 4, okay. You know distance is never negative, so area is equal to how much? Area is equal to 5 by 4 square units, okay. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 1 2 3 4 half 1 4. That means suppose ABC is the triangle. You see A B C, three vertices are given. That is A you consider as 1 2, this is say 2 3 4, this is half 1 4, okay. Area of the triangle is equal to what? The formula is A B C. Suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3, okay. Area of the triangle is equal to half of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, 1 1 1. Determinant of this is equal to area. So this formula you use here, you can get area of the triangle ABC, area of the triangle is equal to half of x1 y1, that means 1 2 3 4, half 1 4 1 1 1. Find the determinant, okay. The determinant is the area, half of the determinant of this is equal to half of, okay, 1 into 4 into 1 4, 1 4 into 1, that is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 into, okay, 3 into 1 3, minus half into 1 minus half, plus 1 into 3 into 1 4, that is 3 by 4, minus half into 4, okay, is equal to half into 1 into, this is 16 minus 1, 15 by 4, minus 2 into, this is 6 minus 1, 5 by 2, plus 3 by 4, this is how much? 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8 by 4, that is minus 5 by 4, okay, is equal to half of, this is 15 by 4, minus 2 2 will cancel out, 5 minus 5 by 4, okay, is equal to half of LCM you say 4, this is 15 minus 20 minus 5, okay, minus 20 minus 5, minus 25 plus 15, that is half of minus 10 by 4, okay, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja is equal to minus 5 by 4, okay. You see distance is never negative, so we will consider it as positive. That is area of the triangle is equal to, okay, area of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle is 5 by 4 square unit, okay, 5 by 4 square unit, square units. Okay, distance is never negative. Okay, distance is never negative. Sorry, area is never negative. Area is never negative. Never negative. That is, this is equal to 5/4. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Show that the point 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, 8 and 1, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, consider a parallelogram. You say this is the parallelogram. Okay, say A, B, C, D. Okay, parallelogram means AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC. Okay, now you find the distance AB and CD. AB and CD. So say let's coordinate of A is equal to, you say 1, 1, B is equal to 4, 4, C is equal to 4, 8, D is equal to 1, 5. Okay, now let you find AB. You say okay, AB is equal to how much? X2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 1 whole square, again 4 minus 1 whole square root over. Okay, is equal to, this is 3 square, this is also 3 square root over, this is 9, this is 9, 18. Okay, is equal to, you write 18. Okay, then find CD. CD is equal to, you see CD, x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. You consider this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and you use distance formula. It's root over, is equal to, you see 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 square, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 square, is equal to 3 square 9, 3 square 9, 9 plus 9 18, root 18. Okay, similarly you find AD. AD is equal to how much? AD is equal to 5 minus 1 whole square, 5 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole square root over. Okay, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, 4 square is equal to 16, this is 4, 4 square plus 0 square, 4 square is 16. Okay, 16 root is equal to 4. Again BC equal to, you see BC, that means 8 minus 4 whole square, again 4 minus 4 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 whole square. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 square, this is 0 square, 4 square is equal to 16, 16 root is equal to 4. That means here AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Find the value of y if the point 1, 4, this is 4, okay, 3y and 4 minus 5 are collinear. Okay, you know the formula. If area of the triangle is equal to 0, the 3 points are collinear. You know, if area of the triangle is 0, the 3 points are collinear. Okay, that means you use the area of the triangle formula. Okay, that means given half of 1 4 3y 4 minus 5 1 1 1 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of y here. That means half of 1 into y into 1 y minus again minus plus 5 into 1 5 minus 4 into 3 into 1 3 minus 4 into 1 4 plus 1 into 3 into minus 5 minus 15 minus 4 into y 4y is equal to 0. Okay, that means y plus 5 1 into y plus 5 minus this is 3 minus 4 minus 1 again minus 4 plus 4 this is minus 15 minus 4y is equal to 0. Okay, these two will come to this side become 0. Okay, is equal to see y minus 4y that is minus 3y 5 plus 4 9 minus 15 that is minus 6 is equal to 0. That means minus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, y is equal to 6 by minus 3. Okay, y is equal to minus 2. So here the value of y is equal to minus 2. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Find the center of the triangle whose vertices are 1 2 3 5 7 1. Okay, you know A, suppose this is x1 y1, this is B x2 y2, this is you say C x3 y3. Center of the triangle, centroid of the triangle is x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, here the vertices 1 1 given 1 2 3 5 7 1. Okay, that means centered of the triangle ABC is x is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 7 divide 3. Okay, y is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 1 by 3. Okay, 1 3 7 2 5 1. This is equal to x is equal to 11 by 3, y is equal to 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8 by 3. Therefore the center of the triangle is 11 by 3 8 by 3. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Find the center and radius of the circle. You know the general formula of circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2ay plus c equal to 0. Okay, you compare these two, you can get, you know, from here the center is minus g minus f and radius is r is equal to g square plus f square minus c root over. Okay, at first you find the center, you compare these two, you can get 2gx is equal to 6x, x cancel out, 2g is equal to 6, g is equal to 6 by 2, that is g3. we have to need minus g, that is minus g is equal to minus 3. Here you compare 8y with 2fy. Okay, y will cancel out. 2f is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 2f. 8 is equal to 2f. 8 by 2 is equal to f. That is 4 is equal to f. That means f is equal to 4. We need minus f. Minus f is equal to minus 4. Center is equal to minus g minus f. Center is minus g minus f. Therefore minus g is equal to minus 3. That is center is minus 3 minus 4. Radius is equal to how much? Radius is equal to g square plus f square. G is equal to how much? 3. F is equal to how much? 3 square. F is equal to how much? 4 root over. Okay, is equal to 9 plus 16 root over is equal to root 25. Root 25 is equal to plus or minus 5, but radius is positive, so you will write 5. That is radius is equal to 5. Center is equal to minus 3 minus 4. Radius is equal to 5. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Find the equation of circle whose center is 2, 3 and radius is 6. Okay, if you know the center and radius, you can get the equation of circle. Okay, if you know center and radius, the equation of circle is x minus x1 x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here hk is the center. We can consider hk is the center, that is 2, 3 given. That means equation of circle is x minus 3 square plus y minus x minus 2 square, 2 given, y minus 3 square is equal to 6 square. That is x square plus 4 plus x square minus 2x minus 4x, 2ab, that is 4x plus 4 plus y minus 3 whole square, that is y square minus 6y, 2ab 6y plus 9 is equal to 36. Okay, x square minus 4x, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 plus 9, 13, 36 minus 13. Okay, here 13, right, is minus 36. Minus 36 is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Minus 23 is equal to 0. This is your required equation of circle. Okay. Pause the video, note it down.